are you doing here? Get out of this place and never issue your face here again. I said, get out.
Mother.
Oh. Leave.
And you were here seated with her.
Don't you know your class?
Hope your market hasn't gotten to
It has gotten to this.
This is not the time for that. How is he doing?
How is he? He's fine. He's getting better.
He looks calm. Looks stable.
Yeah, he does.
Yes, I went from that perspective.
Guess who we have here? Damian! You! Damian!
And what is it? Are you working out or something? You just
Good to have you.
Good to see you. Damian, you're welcome.
Damian. I'm glad you returned.
I missed you. Yes. He's supposed to be home.
Yeah, that's the Ono, the traditional.
Oh no, right. Not Ono. Oh no. Oh, the Prime Minister. Yes. You're welcome. Everybody's so bad. What should we eat? Good to see you. Yes, welcome home. Okay, I can see.
No.
You can sit with him.
Wow. Oxford trained praise.
Well, 15 years? 15 years is just, it's like 150 years. I haven't seen you guys in a while. Good to see you.
Glasses?
Father, I am very, very super excited. That city, that's the whole community has changed. Everything seems developed. I was coming down the road, I saw tall buildings and companies, and wow, what have you been doing?
Most of those homes are owned by non-indigenous, and our culture is under threat because of the influx of those visitors.
You know, investors only go to safe and peaceful communities. Their presence is not a threat to our culture. Not at all.
With delusional children. They came here with their own lifestyle. They can't and will never share yours. Never.
Well, as long as they are not criminals, it's all right. Father, I must remark, the city is transparently gorgeous. God see it.
Anyway, your wife's selection ceremony has fixed.
Exactly.
Announcement that we made all over the kingdom. Our maidens are waiting.
Like, seriously?
Yes.
Well, I do not want to believe that you sent me to Buckingham Palace so that I'll come back and I'll pay more attention to what you call tradition. Oh, hell no, Father, please. I'm new school, it's 2019, please.
Brother, I remembered some time ago you said you visited the Buckingham Palace. So, problem solved.
Exactly. Problem solved.
So don't worry about the dance, okay? This girl is beautiful,
Extremely beautiful.
elegant,
Oh,
very classy,
everything good.
from a rich family.
Sophisticated as well.
She has a beautiful big agency. You will like her.
Yes. Hold on. What am I talking about?
She's from a very good home.
Yeah.
You will love her.
Take a look. So beautiful.
You don't need to worry about it. All you need to do is just pick her as your bride. Forget about every other person. But look at the face very well. Don't make any mistake about picking
You know
her.
me, I know what you like, so I got that for you. I know you will like it.
And she's elegant, trust me.
Yeah.
You will like her.
Oh. Look at the face. Make no mistake about the face.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll lift the phone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. But has anyone on this table considered my own feeling? Alright, if I like her, if she is my spec, if she is something that I want in a woman. So, no, Mom, I cannot subject myself to such backwarded tradition. So, what? Has anyone considered that?
We have considered all that. She is beautiful, elegant, intelligent, very rich.
Listen to this.
Classic.
We're talking about a tradition. Someone like you who is going to ascend the shackle should not be held castigating our heritage.
At all.
Should.
I'm sorry, Dad. I do not intend to castigate your tradition, but I'm just making you understand that I do not understand your tradition. I've lived all my life in Buckingham, so I don't understand the tradition. That's my point exactly.
Since you don't know much about our culture, from what I can see, Olivia will take you through and bring you up to speed.
Most definitely. I'll do just that. Exactly.
She's beautiful.
Very, very beautiful.
I'll put you through, bro. I'll put you through.
Don't bother. It's okay. I have your juice. Can we toast? Let's cheers for a good wife. Let me hand your glass, girl. Your glass, girl.
Okay.
Son.
Cheers.
Beautiful
Beautiful wife.
Oh, what's your phone? Okay, my queen. Yeah. Thank you very, very much. Thank you so much. That was the thing. And I think Prince Damian came back last night.
OMG, Mama! Are we going to the palace now?
No, in the evening. He has a lot of cash-ups to do this morning.
Okay. Mother, does he know that I cannot beat Princess Obiamaka in a dance?
Yes. He has been informed. And he is perfectly okay with that. He has seen your pictures and he likes you. And come to think of it, who talks about dance competitions when they have an accomplished lady like you?
Oh yes, Mommy. OMG. Wow! I need to call Nneka ASAP because I have some preparations to do. I need to see the prince. OMG!
Greetings, my queen.
You can say that's my sister.
House a few minutes ago.
Yeah, I've not been feeling too fine. I came out to get some drugs. I have malaria.
Oh, sorry, dear. Sorry.
Olivia, have you heard?
Heard what?
See, Prince Damian is back. The wife selection ceremony is real. Olivia, husband is lifeless. They say there is no much hope in him. They are just waiting for him to breathe his last. You're a good dancer. This is another opportunity for you to marry the crown prince of Amnesia. Don't you want to be the queen? I wish I were a good dancer. I'm going. Olivia, I'm leaving.
Take care of yourself.
Prince Iken. What a surprise to see you in my house today.
It's Gilbert, I am sorry. But you see, a frog does not run in the daytime in vain.
And I'm dressed for the meeting at the palace.
I know it's Gilbert. But I need you to take a message to that meeting.
Okay. Oh, we should go inside.
All right.
Please.
Oh, it's Gilbert. I heard that Prince Damian is back from United Kingdom. And he'll be made a crown prince tomorrow evening in a low-key ceremony.
That is correct.
That throne belongs to me. 15 years ago, Prince Damian slept with another man's wife. An act that the custom of this land forbids and condemns. His father sneaked him out to the UK and swept everything under the ground. 15 years after, the same man, the same man who slept with another person's wife, is back to this community to be your king. And I ask you, what happened to the custom of this land? You and I know that the custom of this land forbids a man who commits such an act to ascend the traditional stool of Amnesia.
As a matter of fact, I remember that incident very well.
Good.
Prince Iken, you have a point there. But you have a history with the Youth Association. 12 years ago, you sold the scholarship from the fertilizer company that was meant for the Youth Association that you were heading then. You sold it to your friends. So, by our custom and tradition, you are not qualified to.
It's your Gilbert. That is why that bag is staring at you. You don't have to remember that anymore. It's your Gilbert. King Linus Akajabu's reign has never brought fortune to you and your family. You know that so well. And that is why fortune is standing in front of your door, knocking and waiting for you to open up. So we come in and embrace you. You and I know how much you wanted to be the traditional prime minister of this kingdom. The opportunity is staring at you, right in your face. And let me remind you, over 10 companies have been royalty to this kingdom. More importantly, King Akajiako has never been a friend of Ndiokweri's.
Father, you need to calm down. You will make a better decision when you are calm.
No, Cosmos. His anger is justified. And it's best he acts now with it. The clan head of Ndiokweri, their kindred heads, and their family heads need to be punished.
If you take this measure, they will succeed. Now it all depends on how you want history to remember you.
Oh, please.
The king who caused the breakup of Amiri Kingdom, or the king who kept Amiri together in a time like this.
The clan head of Ndiokweri and his chiefs need to be punished.
Exactly.
I cannot be blackmailed by the threat of a breakaway.
If they are not punished, it will set a bad precedence. They have to be punished.
A king is a father
to his kingdom. Father, do you beat up your children each time they offend you? Do you? Forgiveness is not weakness. Rather, it is an act of strength. The palace is the home of the king, a citadel of honor, integrity and moral standard. You must live in accordance with the set moral standard of a palace. You must absorb, digest, and reflect these values even in dire and difficult situations. That is discipline. I will forgive the past. Henceforth, any of you who engages in any sexual affair with any maiden in this palace will have himself to blame. Out.
Good. You're already taking charge as a prince.
Father, I thought you were rest.
I couldn't. Let's take a walk. I like the instruction. If this continues, then investors and companies will take their businesses away from here to somewhere else safe. Every man who does business is looking for a safe haven.
You're correct, Father. These politicians have set Amiri on fire with thuggery. Father, the reason is you, the king. Forgive me if you don't like what I'm about to say. The authority of a king has been punctured by partisan politics. Those who see you as their colleague have taken advantage of that to perpetrate crimes in this kingdom in the name of party strategy. Why those who see you as part of opposition party are simply fighting the opposition back? Father, the king is a king to all. The good, the bad, the ugly, the rich, the poor, the old, the sick and the healthy. Even the politicians, irrespective of their party, Father. Your participation in politics has made you see some of your subjects as opponents instead of sons and daughters. Father, please quit politics and be the king.
Thank you. Cosmos.
Please, I want you to summon a security meeting with all the security agencies in this kingdom. Those with office or station in this kingdom. Stakeholders, even the politicians themselves, irrespective of their party. Father, please, in that meeting, be the king.
Cosmos, thank you. I have always admired your bold and objective assessment of every issue, regardless of the actors in it. You will make a great king. Thank you, sure.
Thank you.
Keep this up.
loyalty, it's only for the wise.
Wax. You.
As a calm and the perfect spirit, a humble mind, a noble heart, a lovely soul can be a king, a man who cares for his subjects can be a king. Oh, that's right.
This is how he has been.
That's royalty.
Excuse me. Dr. Mary, I asked after you.
Yeah, Dr. Vincent told me about that.
How is he?
Well, as you can see, we just have to wait for nature to take its course.
He is Damian, my elder brother, Cosmos's twin. That's why he's feeling this bad. Damian, this is Dr. Mary, a neurologist father hired to take care of Cosmos.
Prince Damian, honestly, I can feel your pain.
It's okay.
You don't have to be too hard on yourself.
Please.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Well, I'm here to take your questions in case you have any to ask.
That won't be necessary. Dr. Vincent already briefed us.
Sorry.
It's okay. I understand how you feel. We have felt worse. It's fine, okay? It's okay. Please.
It's okay.
A humble mind, a noble heart, a lovely soul can be.
Many Council, thank you for honoring this invitation. As you all are aware, Prince Damian, my son, returned last night. So, we will go ahead and make him the crown prince as already agreed and scheduled. Though it will be in a very low key, because any loud celebration will be a show of insensitivity to our dying crown prince Cosmos. So, the wife selection ceremony will remain as already carried out for Prince Cosmos. Yes, Che Gilbert.
Long live your majesty. Members of council, I greet you all. I thank God that Prince Damian is back home safely. However, I must beg us not to do anything that will bring the wrath of the gods on our land. Our custom is clear. Prince Damian had an affair with a married woman. Therefore, he is not fit to sit on the throne of Amnesia.
This has already been cleansed.
Your Majesty, you have a stepbrother, Prince Ikenna. He is your rightful successor.
Don't just say that. Don't go there.
Gilbert, don't go there at all.
What are you saying? Even before the king. That is not enough. That is not enough.
Can you hear me?
It's alright. Don't say it's alright.
What kind of insinuation is that?
I know it's right.
But no, it's not enough.
Did you hear what he said? I said, don't
Men in council.
Do not argue, I said. The king is here.
Iche Gilbert, For your information, I have already named my successor. I am the king, and my word is final.
Your successor is not fit to sit on the throne of our mighty kingdom. He desecrated the land.
That's come again. That land is cleansed. And you know it. Why are you bringing up this matter this time? Ichie Gilbert, why bringing it up again?
I, Ichie Gilbert, the clan head of Ndukwe clan, will not, and I repeat, will not be a part of this plan. So all the kindred heads under me will not be part of it.
Now, for your information, Ichie Gilbert, Ikenna stole from this community. He is not fit to be the king of this community.
Tell him! Tell him!
Did we treat that case? Did we look into the case? Did we even summon him? It simply meant that we agreed that he did nothing wrong.
Can you say such?
I have spoken the truth.
Just look at you. Just look at you.
I am suspecting you.
And the truth will speak for itself.
If you want to leave, leave. You can go. Questioning constitutional authority. I said leave. Leave.
I am go.
You will leave this one.
I am leaving.
Ichie Gilbert, go. Also to leave.
No, we should not mind this Ichie.
Well, men in council, we've had enough of that. It is always expected of a rebel. However, the ceremony will hold as scheduled, and the wife selection ceremony will be carried out day after tomorrow. I have spoken.
Alright, I'll be in the car, have some calls to make. You do that. Okay. Excuse me, my friend.
You're quite excused.
As you must excuse her.
It's alright. It's fine. So, I have heard so much about you, but I wasn't told that you are this sophisticatedly beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So we are going to get married without knowing each other. Very funny.
Apparently, I believe the time between the wife selection ceremony and the actual wedding ceremony will be very valuable to us. On a serious note, I didn't want an arranged marriage. But when I saw your picture, I was like, this dude is so fine. I didn't want to ask questions about you, honestly, because I said to myself, this is the man that I want.
Wow. Honestly, I've never had someone talk about me like this.
Welcome to my world.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Well, I know this is going to be very hard for you and I. I mean, we don't know each other, and then yet we are going to be husband and wife. All right. So maybe we should just start from being friends.
Friends it is. Jeanette Johnson.
Damian. Prince Damian.
Good to see you.
Yeah, so
I don't know what to offer you people. My biscuit has finished. Eh? Oh wait, so you look not early today. What happened?
Madam, since we don't have any other products and there is nothing for us to do there, so we decided to come and see you now.
Why are you chasing us?
Why would I chase you?
Oh.
That petrol station is on this.
Yes, so my dear. But all my prayer now, is that the manager will not buy any product until Prince Damian's wife selection ceremony is over.
No. Damian's wife selection ceremony.
So, if they tell you that me, of all people, will leave the ceremony, just to go and say petrol. Petrol.
Petrol.
Hey! I trust you. Who petrol help?
That's me.
But wait, you. Thank God you work with me. Let me ask you. How much are they even paying you monthly?
10,000.
That's me.
Me, 10,000.
Hey! I can't miss that prince for anything. You see that day, I will never even think of going to work. Me, I will be there live and direct.
Something is bothering me. How's that? The problem I'm having with this wife selection ceremony is that 3 of us are not This is if we
Anka I'm so good. Mmadụ mepe ọnụ jụọ gị sị n'ụwa gị niile na ihe na-akpa gị nke anụ. Were ya amanye n'ofe. Asị m ọfịa. Nne were ya amanye n'azụ shọpụ gị.
That's fast.
Man, you don't need to be bothered about us.
Yes.
Competing against each other.
Of course.
But if you ask me, we need to be very careful about that Princess Obiamaka. She is a very good dancer. I
hear you.
So we need to channel all our focus on her with our training. We need to monitor her.
Monitor her. Let me tell you girls, I don't care about your Obiamaka. Who is even that girl, self? Your Obiamaka is not our problem at all. After all, she's just there to set the bar for us, the dancers. And you know what, girls? Among all the contestants, we are the best.
You can say that
we
again.
We are the best.
So babe, if any of us should win this competition, it will be a win for us.
Of course.
Good. In that case, any one of us that wins should create space for others.
Yes.
Special
Exactly.
advisor to the queen.
Oh.
Okay, not there. Chief attendant.
No.
Show me why your mama gets
Check it.
So babe.
Royalty, it's only for the wise and not for the foolish. Royalty requires a calm and a humble spirit, a humble mind, noble heart, a lovely soul can be a king, a man who cares for his subjects can be a king. Oh, that's royalty.
Here comes the almighty Olivia, the seamstress, who wishes to be the queen of Amiri.
I have to go now.
You are not going anywhere. I'm still talking to you. What about your dream of becoming the queen of Amiri? Have you totally lost it? Have you? Prince Damian's wife's selection ceremony is a day after tomorrow. And for sure, I heard that you are a great dancer. You will obviously be there to try your luck. Don't dare walk out on the princess of Amiri. Have you lost your sanity? Have you?
I'm sorry, my princess, but I have to go.
You are going nowhere. I'm not done talking to you. Well, it is sad to know that my brother, Cosmos, will stop breathing any moment from now. And yes, I am so happy. I am so excited because that takes you totally out of our lives. Oh my goodness. I wish you can fathom how much I hate you. You disgust me. I wish you were the dead one. Yes. Open the door.
Time when you will pat yourself on the chest and say, yes, I am serving in a council.
King Linus Akajaku is rich. They will never back down.
That is if we continue to support him. A king without a cabinet is no king.
That is true. But if I may ask you, how has his riches changed your life positively as members of his cabinet? What you need is money. Not just money. You need more money. And I'm giving you millions of naira.
My prince, I am behind you. I will talk to my kindred heads.
No. Talking is a language of the poor. If you have to deal with me, you need to talk money. You don't need to talk ordinary words. When you get there, pick up a bundle of money and stone them money. Pick up another bundle, stone them money. Keep stoning them the money. When you're done stoning them the money, pick up another bundle, unwind it, then, and do what? Unwrap and spread them more money. Spread them more money. Give them the money. Let them enjoy the money. That's how you have to enjoy the money. When you work with me, you can't be poor. You can't be poor. Spread them more money. That's how I will change your life. Support me, and you have nothing to lose.
Ngozi, bring water, bring water.
Olivia. Ogini.
Joya.
What is wrong with you? You don't need to follow me. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? I'm asking you. Princess Olivia, Prince Cosmos will carry tonight.
Is that why you're crying? So it's because of Princess Olivia that is making you not to enjoy this wonderful rice. Come. Remember I told you from the beginning of this so-called relationship, when you and the prince is confessing love and confusing yourself, I told you that it will never work. There is no place in the world that it has happened that a royal family will leave their royalty and enter into a commoner's blood. Do you want to corrupt the palace?
Jokwamo.
Listen, this thing you are calling love will never work. Royalty goes for royalty. Mama, stop crying and enjoy this food.
You are crying for a man. A man that the family has declared they didn't want you in their house. And you are here crying. Eh? Where's my Shabbat Abiko?
It's in the room in your room.
I thought we began go.
No, say Kabiko.
Your bride price must be paid to the full. Stop proposing this cheap to this nonsense.
Royalty, it's only for the wise and not for the foolish. Royalty requires a calm and a perfect spirit, a humble mind, a noble heart, a lovely soul can be a king, a man who cares for his subjects can be a king. Oh, that's royalty. That's royalty. Yeah. Royalty, it's only for the wise and not for the foolish. Royalty.
Son, the time is now for you to hand over the management of the family business to your sister Bianca, and then focus on the affairs of Amnesia throne.
Father, I am not being distracted by the family businesses.
Cosmos, you are the crown prince of this kingdom and your rightful place is by my side, learning the ropes, not at the dredging sites or at the pipeline rehabilitation sites or even the office. You should be learning the ropes by my side.
Father, yes. I've been doing that. I've always been by your right hand. In fact, right now I'm driving you.
Oh, come on, Cosmos. You know what I'm talking about. Henceforth, you're supposed to be attending all the council meetings so that you can learn the ropes. All I'm saying is just hand over the business to Bianca.
Father, I understand your sentiments here. But to be honest with you, I don't want to be a stay-at-home king.
Hey,
Royalty, it's only for the wise and not for the foolish. Royalty requires a calm and a perfect spirit, a humble mind, a noble heart, a lovely soul can be a king, a man who cares for his subjects can be a king. Oh, that's royalty.
Crown Prince.
Yes, sir, my friend. The crown is still on the way.
And I will show him the stuff I am made of. The throne of Amnesia is mine. Therefore, we must act now.
Yes, we have to. I can arrange for some youths, women and men, for a protest march to that desecrated palace and around the community.
It's your Gilbert.
Yes, my prince.
That is not necessary. Anoint me the crown prince of Amnesia. Yes. As a matter of fact, the land priest of Njobore is second in hierarchy of the land priest of Amnesia. It depends on how much you're willing to pay.
My prince, I suggest that we get more members of the council and stakeholders to our side first. That will give us a strong foundation to fight them. We also need the support of the women and the youth as well.
It's your Gilbert. That is still not necessary.
It is very necessary, my prince, because there is no king without a community.
You have a point there. So what it means is that I'll give you my money. Okay? But in 2 days, time, I want results. If you can't bribe them over us, then you have to blackmail them over us.
about you every night and day. Can't get you off my mind. I see you in my dream. Yeah, every moment, every minute, you are in my mind. I call this love. Oh yeah, love, love. I see you in every day. Wow, love, love. And everything I do, I see you. It's love, love, love. It can't be anything but love. Whoa. Listen, no one can take you away from me. You are my love, and you are my heart. Without you in this world, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So come back to me. I need your love right now. So come back to me. I need to feel your heartbeat once more. Oh, where is your mind? What is happening to you? No matter what, I'm still in love. Oh yeah, love. I can't live without you. I'm still in love. Can you come back to me? Oh, yeah. I'm still in love. Love, yeah, yeah. I'm thinking about you every night and day. Can't get you off my mind. I see you in my dream. Yeah, every moment, every minute, you are in my mind. I call this love. Oh yeah, love, love. I see you in every day. Wow, love, love. And everything I do, I see you. It's love, love, love. It can't be anything but love. Whoa. Listen, no one can take you away from me. You are my love, and you are my heart. Without you in this world, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So come back to me. I need your love right now. So come back to me. I need to feel your heartbeat once more. Wow. Where is your mind? What is happening to you? No matter what, I'm still in love. Oh yeah, love, love. I can't live without you. I'm still in love. Can you come back to me? I'm still in love, yeah, yeah.
No, my friends.
No, where is the
Prime Minister.
What is going on? What is happening? Daddy, go and find out what is going on because I'm losing it already.
Oh no. What do you mean by calm down? What is about chief?
I am to find out what is happening.
I'm going to lose this.
Nothing is wrong.
So listen, I believe that with time he will be fine.
Yes.
Do you understand? It's not actually a great thing for you.
Who? Cosmos.
Your Highness, I'm glad you're here.
How is it? It's fine. Oh.
Well, I can feel your excitement.
Yeah, I'm happy.
But I'm sorry, we have a little problem.
Problem?
Yes. Your son is suffering from retrograde amnesia. That is to say, he cannot remember anything. Every incident that occurred before the accident, he cannot retrieve. But there is no need to panic because we've been trying to figure out ways we can assist him or trying to make him remember things or be normal again. So I believe with treatments, within the next 4 to 9 months, he will be fine.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, Your Highness. He needs a neurologist and a psychologist. I need to put him through.
Please get them, the best of them. I will pay.
Yes. Your Highness.
Don't worry, we will do everything we can to see that he's well again.
No problem, Your Highness.
Okay, sure you'll be okay.
Yes, ma. He will be fine.
No, he's fine.
Welcome home, bro.
Welcome home, bro.
Royalty, it's only for the wise and not for the foolish. Royalty requires a calm and a perfect spirit. A humble mind, a noble heart, a lovely soul can be a king, a man who cares for his subjects can be a king. Oh, that's royalty. Oh, that's royalty. Yeah. Royalty, it's only for the wise and not for the foolish.
I don't remember ever leaving there. That's a joke. That's a joke, right? That's a joke. He doesn't remember nothing. That's a joke. How did you know I lived here?
Because I can remember everything. All of it. Now, this is your father, the king. Your mother, the queen. This is your brother, Damian. He's also a prince like you. And these are your sisters, Chimi, Obiamaka.
Obiamaka, Chimi.
This is also Onowu of this kingdom.
What are you introducing me to my own twin brother? Please excuse me. Well, you all take heart, he doesn't remember you. But I'm sure I'll make him recognize you all. My apologies. So, of course you remember me. Damian, your twin brother. From UK, does that make any sense? Alright, you remember me, of course.
Just take it easy on him, okay? He will come around. Yes.
Calm down, Damian. Listen, Cosmos, this is your abode. I mean, we are your siblings. Yes. This is father, this is mother. Obiamaka, can't you remember Chinwe?
Your sisters.
We, your sisters.
He doesn't remember me.
Just give him time.
Hey, come on. Of course you remember me.
Easy.
Doctor, please, I need some food and I need to rest.
Okay. So,
Wait, I don't understand, doctor. Like, you're a doctor, right? How come he remembers to eat and rest and then he doesn't remember any of us, not even me?
He's been eating food.
Oh no, Your Majesty, dismiss everyone.
Consider you don't have right to it.
Oh, of course. Wait. Let's go.
What's that rubbish for?
I don't just like what happened there.
Hey!
I don't like it at all.
Hey, girls.
Hey! After all this preparation.
After the whole preparation, after spending money on clothes and hair, even if it holds next year, we will still win.
Oh yes.
We will still win.
Yes. Oh yes, we will still win it. Exactly my point. We will still win it.
But babes, there's something I don't understand. Now that Prince Cosmos has woken up, whom are we supposed to dance for? Is it him or Prince Damian? I don't understand.
No more.
Hey! This area you are going now is none of my business. I don't care. Yes.
Yes.
Any of them that calls the voice selection ceremony, I must be there and I must be
exactly my point, girl.
So you girls abandoned your business and went for that ceremony. In this 21st century world, you girls are still stuck with ancient tradition.
Who is this demon?
You want it? No. I seen anybody.
Imagine this little demon.
Wait. Are you actually speaking to us?
Of course I'm talking to you girls.
You.
Hey.
Like this.
Hey.
Like this, I'm seeing you are speaking to us in such manner.
Yes.
Well, if you were educated as you claimed, you should have known that some countries in Europe and Asia still practice ancient customs.
Exactly.
We are
exactly my point.
Nonsense.
Mrs. Educated woman. If you're so educated as you claimed, you should have known that educated people, by this time they are seated at their working place. They are seated there quietly, minding their business and not walking and lazing around the village. Eh? Looking for who to gossip with. Idiots.
Stupid idiots. Idiot. Let's go here.
Imagine. Get up.
Okay, go and you open. Oh, this is even
Hey!
Get out of our sight. Hey! I don't blame her. But you don't have to blame her.
My husband, how is that possible? They said he was about breathing his last breath. Eh?
Quiet! Stop talking! I am thinking. Just keep quiet! Quiet!
My prince, I came as fast as I could.
You had it?
Yes. And that will not be a problem. Because he has been replaced by his twin brother according to our custom. And moreover, they see that he is insane and people recognize anybody. So, any man that is insane cannot be the king of our kingdom.
Even if he's fine, the throne is mine.
The throne belongs to us.
Why are you dancing? Tell me, why are you dancing? Let me tell you, as soon as I become the king, I will take a beautiful and intelligent wife.
Huh? Olivia!
Dad, don't tell me you're allowing this matter hit you like this. Come on. These things happen. It's normal. A few months from now, he would regain his consciousness. I think what we need to do now is look for anything that can make him remember, you know, like something that can set his mind backward. Probably he could remember something, maybe anything. Material things, picture, friends, girlfriends. He should have girlfriends.
What do you think?
You just have to calm down, okay? Chinwe can handle that.
Sure.
Of course she will. Sure.
Can you take me to Janet's house? I need to make up with her. She's going to be very, very mad at me right now.
That's no problem.
Your Highness. Sit.
Hi, Christmas. Christmas. Cossy.
Hi, bro.
Curse.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me! Leave me! How dare you! What are you doing here?
What are you doing? Who are you?
Wait,
Who are you?
It's me, your love, Olivia. It's me, it's
What?
It's,
What are you doing? Who are you?
It's Olivia. It's Olivia.
Who are you?
Cosmos, it's Olivia.
Stop.
No, it's me. Just allow me to speak to him. It's Olivia. No,
It's
wrong. God! Take this thing out of here. Take it out. Get out. Take it out, yes. Get out. Cosmos. Take it away. Cosmos. What is wrong with you? What audacity? Listen, I do not ever want to see that thing in this place again. I'm sorry. Obviously, she's mad. She's one mad fellow. It's okay.
Dr. Mary,
Your Highness.
I will extend your contract until my son is healed. You will be staying in a room in this palace.
Okay.
Everything you need will be provided for you.
Thank you. I don't want to see that woman close to my brother again. Never, please.
And teach him to be a king.
Oh my goodness. This is absurd. Nonsense. What audacity. Rubbish. Huh? What? What? What did he say?
Teach him to be a king.
What?
Alright, I came here to verify something. Are you serious?
Teach Cosmos how to be a king? Why?
Sorry, son. But the truth is that my mind had never been off Cosmos as a choice. I prayed very hard. God answered that prayer. I'm not prejudiced about you. I'm only doing what my mind judges best.
Father, we know the dictates of our custom and tradition. When a crown prince or a king is dethroned, he can never be reinstated.
Cosmos was never dethroned.
But he was incapacitated. The council came to that conclusion.
It was not his making. Get that into your head.
Alright. We will get that into our heads, but before then, your choice son came back to life. And I be strict. So much for justice, isn't it? I thought a king is supposed to be a man of justice.
This discussion is over.
No, it is only the beginning. The elders, the council made that decision. And on that decision, I stand.
Father, on this one, I stand with Damian. Justice.
A child can never tell his father where they used to live before his birth.
Royalty, it's only for the wise and not for the foolish. Royalty requires a
Why did he choose to wake up on a day like this? Today of all days, he chose to wake up. Why would he even wake up? He would have just died. Eh? What is he doing awake at this time? Eh?
It's a human being you're talking about like that.
I slap you. You will just shut up if not. You're very stupid. He would have just died. He chose to wake up on a day like this. Mama, look at me now. Just look at me. Look at me. My goodness.
Girlfriend, please calm down.
I would really advise you not to speak to me at this moment. I want to be alone. I don't know why you choose to wake up today. I really don't understand.
Please, my daughter, sit down.
Ceremony is just to fulfill all righteousness.
I know, but you're not your daughter.
I'm thinking about you every night and day. Can't get you off my mind. I see you.
Father. Her name is Olivia Okoro, the first daughter of late Master Bernard Okoro. She's a seamstress at the junction.
What? How come we didn't know when the wife selection ceremony was done? And did she beat me in the dance?
Better be. Cosmos,
Yes, Father.
you are the crown prince of this kingdom. And as such, you should uphold every bit of the culture of our people, despite the assault of modernization on our culture and tradition. You cannot select a wife outside the wife selection ceremony. Well, having said that, let me ask you, why have you chosen to embarrass this family? A seamstress from a family without a background?
No background, Father.
Not even with a good education. I trained you in Oxford University, and I'm sure you know how much that cost. And this.
Son, didn't you learn about the word choose your type? Didn't you get that?
Grandmother, she's my type. She's intelligent also. Talking about education, I think she can get that after a wedding.
Yes, that is our Lord. So please. What is wrong with you? Have you got nuts?
We're just walking here when we're having a very serious conversation. Coming here with this thing.
And you think?
Get out of here.
Out!
Father,
Father! Get lost! Oh, please, will you shut up? What's wrong with you? Oh, go, please.
Father,
I'm disappointed.
Olivia!
I'm disappointed of all the beautiful, intelligent girls in the world. Oh, please, Chuma, don't even start. A seamstress for a wife? Have you got enough?
Why are you crying?
It seems I'm the reason your family is tearing apart.
How did you know my family is tearing apart?
Princess Obiamaka was here. She gave me a stern warning.
Sweetheart, my family is fine. Yes. Well, I'm fixing my wife's selection ceremony in August. I want you to be there. Just be there. Be in line and dance. The custom says the prince's pick is final.
Every moment, every minute, you are in my mind. I call this love. Oh yeah, love, love. I see you in every day. Wow, love, love. And everything I do, I see you. It's love.
Are you okay? What are you doing here by this time of the night? Remember, you will go to shop tomorrow. Go and catch some sleep. You're great. Is this something?
It's nothing.
She's crying. Are you sure that she's not pregnant?
Prince Ikenna. Odogwu nwoke. Eh? Emena nkuja. No nwoke ka ebo. Emena nkuja. We are solidly behind you. Look, Ikenna. Don't have any fear for anything. Do you hear me? I've been looking for an opportunity like this to deal with Akajiako and his entire family. Now, look at it. It is given to me in a platter of gold. I have the opportunity now, and I will never miss it. Ikenna, I am supporting you. To the end of time, I am supporting you. I am happy to hear that, Chief Frederick. I am happy to hear that.
Yes.
And I'm glad as well that a stakeholder like you have seen the truth.
Why not?
Why wouldn't I?
muchi. Mfunke beziokwe kwuo mi egbowa.
5 wraps. Ichi. I said 5 wraps. One more. Good. Ichi. Have it. This is 500,000 naira. Just for you.
Get it?
You alone. Get a money.
For me?
For you. Huh?
Hey!
Calm down. This is just the beginning.
My prince! Someone
I will give you 1 million naira to share among the elders.
Hey!
Then I want you to convince them that I, Prince Ikenna, is the rightful person to ascend that throne.
Look, let me tell you the truth. We don't have notice. I am the akoja. You don't got to. Eh?
This is just the beginning.
Agune. Ikenna. Let me tell you. Kinwa, you are the crown prince we know. And nobody is going to stop you. Nobody will take it away from you. As long as we are concerned, we will see to the end of it, and you are there. You are there.
This is just the beginning. More to come. I know
what you can do.
Boy, one more.
Do or die. We are behind you.
It's here. For your breakfast tomorrow.
You don't mean it. I know what you can do. And I can look. I cannot follow all those riffraffs that call themselves abroad.
Anam, let's go.
My prince. No other person but you. You alone. Hey. Ikenna kaige so. Mone jeje mona nana Ikenna kaige so. When you forget the guy forget nazo. Hey! Now, Ikenna, you have given this temptation. How where will I keep Destiny? Makandio may go. They may come after me at last. That is the problem.
You have to calm down. I know how difficult this is to you, but if not for anything, we for...
No! You will tell my father to do the right thing.
Your father, my husband, has always done the right thing.
Brother, please. Since he's alive, I think you should step aside.
Will you shut up, Chinwe? What is wrong with you? The decision to make Damian the crown prince of this kingdom simply means that Cosmos has been stripped of his title. Oh yes, that's a simple logic. And nothing, absolutely nothing can change that. Not even your stupid opinion.
Have you lost your mind? You speak when I speak? Did you hear what she said? He has been ripped of his title. That title belongs to me, and so is this throne.
Really?
Is that the person you want to rule this kingdom? Someone who can barely recognize anyone? Or don't you understand that once you've been stripped of your title, you have? We all love Cosmos, but it has gone beyond brotherly love.
And we all should be happy that he is alive. Yes.
Mother, I am happy.
Then why are you shouting?
The throne! That is why I am shouting. That's why I will continue to shout the throne. No, Mother. I will not allow anyone take what rightfully belongs to me. The throne! Whoever tries to stand on my way.
You said I am a member of this family.
Yes, you are.
And that I'm the first son here.
Yes.
So why are they angry? Why is he angry?
Because no one wants to give up his or her glory. gonna take this for the night.
You know, you are the heir to the throne. When you were in coma, everyone thought you were going to die. Hopes were lost.
Just take a look. Take a look at this.
You know, your family decided to give your position to your brother. Unfortunately for you, you woke up. He is angry because you are back to take your position.
I can't remember any of this. I don't know anybody here.
Just to remind you that they are your family. You are the heir to the throne. Do not surrender it to anyone for any reason. I am tired. I need to go have a rest. You have to take this for the night.
Make yourself comfortable. Let me go for my parents.
Who do we have here? The singer man. You're welcome. You're welcome.
You're welcome. Thank you, Chief Johnson. And the magnificent Lord.
My elders, Lichi. You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
This one you are here this early. I hope all is well.
All is well, Chief. My prince.
Yeah.
Over to you.
That's good. Chief Johnson, I came to your house for two reasons that I need your support for. First, I am the rightful successor to that throne that Akaja will steal. My nephews, Damian, of course, you know, broke the laws of the land by sleeping with another man's wife. Something you know very well that the tradition of the land forbids. And Cosmos happens to lead the reign. He is not fit to ascend the throne of our land. Like I said, I came here for two reasons. The second one, I remember 3 years ago when I came to your house asking for your daughter's hand in marriage. You chased me out of your house. I am back for that same reason. I am rich and rightful successor to that throne that Akaja is occupying. I want to marry your daughter Janet and make her the queen of this kingdom. As a matter of fact, my wife's selection ceremony will be coming up next month.
Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's start with the marriage talks. Someone going to a family to ask for their daughter's hand in marriage goes with his kinsmen. And these are not your kinsmen, because I know these men.
Chief Johnson, that talk is the talk of a poor man. I'll take it there. Chief Johnson, when you talk, I want you to talk the talk of money. Here is money. Money answers all things. I don't want to talk about it because money do justice to anything you want in this life.
Ikenna, I've had enough of your insults. Now leave my house.
Chief Johnson. This anger is anger from the Nigerian. Huh?
You heard my father. Leave this place immediately.
Oh, come on, baby. Janet, my baby girl. She looks so...
Now get out!
Yes, you calm down. I don't know why you're shouting. This shout is shout of Ndobiam. I want you to shout the shout of Unko. I've made money. I want to give you money. I want you to...
I don't want your money! Get out of this place!
That will be shout of Unko. I know what you want. I know what you want. I think you need money. It's here. Stone had the stone of money. Stone had the stone of cash.
Don't do that to my daughter.
Why are the money? Mabianya. Mabiego.
Get out! Get out!
Let's go.
Uche, show them the door. Get out of here.
Get out! What are you still waiting for?
See how
Let me tell you one thing.
Okay, you don't want to go.
You will come back begging.
You don't want to go.
By then, more than 10 ladies will be
Please get out!
begging for the same.
Get out!
Let's go, gentlemen. Let's go.
Go.
Leave the money. Let them enjoy money. Oh no.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out! Get out of here! Get out! Go!
This young girl. Let's just go.
What nonsense! You think your money can buy anything? Surely it cannot buy me. Get out!
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings. Wow, how are you?
I'm well, and I guess you're doing well.
Of course, I'm doing good. I asked my guards to take me to your house, but apparently they do not know where you live. I've been searching everywhere for you, but we're here now.
Cosmos asked after me.
My brother has amnesia, which means he cannot remember anything that has to do with his past. That includes you and his family. That's why he treated you the way he did yesterday. I'm equally sorry for the way my family treated you yesterday. I'm sure they do not know what you represent, what you mean to me. Listen, Olivia. Yesterday wasn't a mistake. I saw you yesterday and a lot changed in me. I feel like I've known you all my life. I feel like there is something special about you. Listen, I have feelings for you. I have feelings for you. I love you. I don't know how to express it. I know I love you. I want to make you my woman. No, you hold on. You don't understand. I am the prince, the crown prince, the heir to the throne of Amiri. Come close to me. Let me make you my queen. Let me make you the queen of Amiri, please.
Excuse me, Your Highness. I have to go.
No. I want to. You don't understand. Like, you don't walk out to me, yeah? Olivia, I want to make you my... Can you just tell her that she's going to be the queen?
You will be the queen, oh.
You don't understand. Tell her I want to make her my queen.
You are going to be the queen of Amiri. Just say yes.
Tell her does she know she's going to be the... Olivia, you're going to be the queen. Olivia. Does she understand the meaning of...
I'm thinking about you every night and day. Can't get you off my mind. I see you in my dream. Yeah, every moment, every minute, you are in my mind. I call this love. Oh yeah, love, love. see you in every day. Wow, love. And everything I do, I see you. It's love. It can't be anything but love. Wow, love. Oh, listen. No one can take you away from me. You are my love, and you are my heart. Without you in this world, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So come back to me. I need your love right now. So come back to me. I need to feel your heartbeat once more. Wow. Where is your mind? What is happening to you? No matter what, I'm still in love. Oh yeah, love. I can't live without you. I'm still in love. Can you come back to me? I'm still in love. Love. Yeah, yeah.
Greetings, elders of Amnesia Kingdom. It is good you are here.
You're welcome, Cosmos.
Well, I invited you to this emergency meeting because I need to clear the air over an issue that has been prolonged in this palace. At least in the last days, it has lingered. Damian and Cosmos are my sons, flesh and blood, from my loins.
Yeah, wait.
And they are twins.
All right. Sorry I was late.
Sit. Well, I want to start by expressing my profound gratitude to Damian. Damian, thank you for the personal sacrifice you made by returning home to take the place of your brother Cosmos while he was in coma. I owe it to my conscience to do what is right for Amnesia Kingdom.
Yes.
Damian, you were the only option. Now, you are no more the only option. Cosmos. Stop. Elders of Amnesia Kingdom,
Your Majesty.
I stand before you today and present to you my son, Prince Cosmos, as my successor.
Oh, never! That will never happen. The day you all made the decision that I am your crown prince is the day you ripped him off his title. Whether you're alive or dead, sane or insane, I, Prince Damian, is your crown prince.
How can he say something like this?
Elders, I am still the king, and I am still standing. I present before you Prince Cosmas, my son, as a crown prince of this kingdom. I said that will not happen! Yes! It will never happen! Not while I'm alive! This is injustice!
Don't! How dare you attack the king?
Please.
How dare you attack the king in our presence?
Who are you? I will not take this injustice!
I do not know what you're talking about. But you need to back off. What did you say?
Your Highness, this is not right.
Exactly.
We have already enthroned your second son, Damian. You cannot enthrone someone else who has already been dethroned.
Who dethroned him?
Moreover, this is against our custom and tradition.
What tradition are you talking about? Which tradition? What tradition?
But very quiet.
But as a matter of fact, this is an issue that the
I believe the gods have a reason for bringing Cosmos back to life. And I believe that reason is what is playing out now. The gods! My foot.
This is sacrilege.
Stop shouting! Stop shouting! My friend, shut your mouth!
The gods were completely in control. Why then did they allow me to come back home safely?
Hey, stop this now! Stop this now!
Your Majesty!
Have you seen what you caused? Have you seen what you have caused? Insane, Prince! You are insane! Prince!
Damian!
Insane!
What happened to Dad? What?
This insane prince caused it.
That's a lie. You harassed father. You!
Back off now. Back off.
Why are you not dead anyway? Why are you still alive?
Obiamaka, have you lost your senses?
I haven't lost it, Mother. I am totally sane. Mother, everything would have been fine if this man had remained in coma. Obiamaka! Mother! I am perfect! And we would have been a happy family together. I don't know. Okay, obviously, he doesn't remember anything about us. Obiamaka! He doesn't remember us, Mother. And he will never sit on the throne of Amairi.
Is this who you want?
The recent events in this palace have convinced me that here is not only my home, but that the throne belongs to me.
You are a dreamer. You are a foolish man! What?
Let go!
Let go! No, I will not!
I am still your mother!
I will not!
But you will not overrule my authority!
Okay, stop it! What nonsense!
I am still your mother! You are holding my phone!
I will break it! I will break it!
You are holding my phone!
I will leave!
Doctor, how is he?
Doctor,
how is he?
My queen, he is stable now. But all this noise is too much. He doesn't need it now. You need to calm down. Anyone that wants to see him can go in, but people will have to calm down. It's okay.
Can you hear that? Can you go hear that?
Please, excuse me.
So, please, think about it.
Your proposal is very good. But there's a but. The but is that Prince Cosmos, are you aware that our king, as at just today, he announced him as the crown prince? Today. That is the but.
They say he has amnesia. At the same time, he's mentally deranged.
He's not mentally deranged. He's not insane. Amnesia is one of those small sickness that even these things can cure. It's not insane.
Anyway, I am not in any way threatened by anybody's interest in that throne. That's why I am here. Name your price. I'm equal to the task.
Are you aware that our king, he collapsed at the cabinet meeting and he's on the sick bed right now? Are you aware?
We already have that information.
This is the time for us to move. We fight now and grab that throne. Attack. Let us move in. And you can get the throne.
Ichiegebat.
My prince.
Get the lamp priest of Njopere ready.
It shall be done immediately.
We are doing it tomorrow.
Good. Let's open these drinks a bit.
So, I won't be the queen anymore. That's what it literally means. I won't be the queen anymore.
I hope nothing happens to Iguela or Sakaja.
That is what is utmost to you, father. No, that is what is important to you. What about my happiness? My dreams have been ruined by that dead man that just woke up. Don't touch me, mother. Don't touch me. It has been about you both. It hasn't been about me. You care about your status, your interest, and your class. What about me? No, I won't be the pretty queen anymore.
Will you stop being hysteric? Pick up the phone and call the prince and find out about his father. Pay him a visit tomorrow. It is hard time for the royal family, and you need to stand by Prince Damian.
I can't take this. I can't take this.
What's going on with her? She just needs to calm down.
Chima said this is his favorite restoration. I believe this can help. Remember her now. He is mine. I worked so hard to wake him up. Even when hopes were lost, I never gave up.
Maybe he shouldn't even remember anything. Yes. He will not remember anything for now. Olivia. I see you're still thinking about that. Emma, do you want to kill yourself? Huh? Hey. We go one. Mama?
Mama?
Oh, one more.
Ma?
Okay, what?
Mama?
This way.
Ma? Answer!
Mama, this thing you are looking at is not emergency. This has been her favorite mood. This is not the first time. Ngozi confirmed it. That she no longer does anything in the shop. The only thing she knows how to do best is sit down, cry, be present and absent at the same time. Mama, one meeting. Talk to her. Advise her before those that gave her clothes will start coming for fight. I mean, if you look at me very well, you will see that I don't have chest. I don't have strength to separate fight.
Mama, it's okay.
One meeting. Hey.
Baby.
Mama. Advise her daughter you are here praising her.
I don't want.
Look at this old woman. You're calling her baby. Mama, tell her to enter back to your womb so that you give birth to her the second time.
I don't believe you.
Talk to this girl. Stop petting her.
Come on, go and sleep. You know, go.
Talk some sense into her. You are petting her. Mba, just sit down very well so that you can breastfeed her. 2 years. Mama, this you are doing is not good. It's not good.
Come on, go sleep.
Mama, advise this. Talk to her. I need to be drinking at least 10 bottles of beer every day from my in-law. She's here, you are petting her. Talk to her. Mama, if I remember, I can go to Oja. You believe me? Come. Give me something. Let me back her. What 2 years? Mama, what can I cost this? What can I cost this? What can I cost this thing? Mama, go see you to almost 8. When you be not for the bottle. How can I? Come, you will stop this.
Janet, I want to thank you so much for coming.
My queen, you don't have to thank me. I did what I should. And besides, he's my father-in-law to be. So I did what is necessary. And mother, I want you to know that my family and I are solidly behind you in this. Okay? Just call us if there is any need and we'll be there for you.
Whatever comes out on the throne, will never affect our plans.
Thank you very much. That's really good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Mom.
Hi.
Hi. Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Mother.
Has ever had. When you touch me like that, and if you kiss me like this, it was last long ago, but it's coming back to me. So coming back to me now. There were moments of God and there were flashes of light. There were things I'll never do again, and all seems so right. There were nights of endless pleasure. It was more than any loss. Oh baby, 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 when I touch you like that, and if you hold me like this, it was last long ago, but it's all coming back to me.
That voice. The sweet. I've heard this sweet voice before. Deep. And that song too.
You need to shower right now. Take your medication. We have a therapy section at 9:30.
Doctor, there's something familiar about your voice from the first day I met you in that hospital.
When you were in coma, I was hired to treat you and take care of you. But I found myself getting emotionally attached to an unconscious patient. I sang for you. I told you sweet things. I sang for you. I fell in love with you. And right now, I am stuck in between expressing my love for you and being a professional.
Hello? Okay. Icheuzo. Alright, I'll be there. Okay.
I hope there's no problem.
The Queen. She said Icheuzo is here to see me.
Okay. I'll be right here waiting for you.
It's okay. Let me get dressed and see them.
Oh, yeah. I'm thinking about you every night and day. Can't get you off my mind. I see you in my dream. Yeah, every moment, every minute, you are in my mind. I call this love. Oh yeah, love, love. I see you in every day. Wow, love, love. And everything I do, I see you. It's love, love, love. It can't be anything but love. Whoa, love, love. Oh, listen. No one can take you away from me. You are my love, and you are my heart. Without you in this world, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So come back to me. I need your love right now. So come back to me. I need to feel your heartbeat once more. Wow. Where is your mind? What is happening to you? No matter what, I'm still in love. Oh yeah, love, love. I can't live without you. I'm still